Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install Skype on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, go to your search bar and type Microsoft Store and click on the application to open. Wait a few seconds until the refresh is completed and click on the search bar and type Skype. Locate the logo of Skype and click on it to start. Click on Open and Skype should open now automatically in your Windows 11 computer. You can go ahead and click Windows Store and wait a few seconds until the application is updated and all the necessary details are gathered. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.